Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's tutorial I want to focus on trying to play something like just like we did in the previous tutorial, the notes, playing the notes around the song. What if you're a lead guitarist, or maybe even if you're playing acoustic, you can still play something similar like the lead guitarist, but you're trying to complement everyone that is playing. Imagine someone is playing the chorus. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. So this is a simple strumming. In case you want to look at the strumming, that's fine. So 1, 2, 1, 2. You are wonderful. So you're playing like you hear in a drum. So so you want to get abreast with the back or the A shape of this song, of this progression, before you try and fill in. So you see, I'm trying to look for this note, but this note is quite far. Maybe I can use this one. So because I am playing the A bar chord, I can try and remove this, then I focus on that note. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. Maybe you can try something. Do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, ti, do. So you try to be creative in this way. So maybe you can try and play the pentatonic. Therefore, you are worthy, oh Lord. So 1, 3, 5. Wow, I got it. So you are trying to, instead of the pentatonic having to come here, you try and hit on the toe. Therefore, you are worthy, oh Lord. Therefore, you are worthy, oh Lord. So you can try something like that. So I did. So do. So maybe the do, the high do is here. I'm actually learning from here. So You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Wonderful. Let's try it again. You are worthy, oh Lord. You are wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. Dun, 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 dun. Wonderful. You are worthy, oh Lord. I think I'll end here, and you can leave in the comment section if you have some other tricks, and that will help us. We are trying to grow together. If you're a professional guitarist and maybe you're on the same level as I am, you can also give your suggestion. And thank you. Well, if this video was very helpful, don't forget to give a thumbs up, hit the notification bell icon if you've not, so that you'll be the first person to see my videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. If you're a beginner, there are a lot of tutorials on this channel for you. Thank you, and see you next time.